think we follow this line. Right here. I was just thinking just follow the line, because I think this thing's pretty secured. Yeah. Well, what's up? Let's talk about it. I put it underneath here. Because I think what you can do is, like you said, if you follow this line, right? So we're coming out right here. Follow this. Follow this. Follow this. I don't know where it goes to necessarily, but it's really just from there. You just got to go up. So.
Yeah. I've been driving this thing. It's hot.
Oh, I just What a shitty design. You know how to get this? You give me some
black tape.
yeah.
This work, or you have electrical tape?
Let's use electrical tape for this one.
Where's your electrical tape?
It's in, pick the top drawer under the welder.
Actually, let's check it, make sure it works first. Good, set it off. Good, okay.
Awesome. Looks good.
We're gonna start it here and wrap it all the way around. Here you go, just like that. And start tightening, there you go.
I was kind of thinking something, unless you want to mount it somewhere else.
You could actually, let me just try something. Let's see if it'll work by just going positive here and then grounding not on the battery but on a bolt. Try it. No, we're going to be, try that again. Now do it. Yeah, okay. Okay. So we're going to need two nuts to put that on there and one to put on into here, right? So we need washers and nuts. And I'll figure out this. Go on. Yeah, I think. Okay.
And so where's it at? Right up under there?
Well, it's actually right back. There's a rubber gasket sitting right here that holds all the wiring harness. I'm gonna try to. I don't know if I can.
going on tonight, guys? I just wanted to show you a quick little update on the light bar that we have. When we installed it, it was in the middle of the day. It was kind of hard to see how bright it was. Here we go. I just want to show you what we did. As you can see, mounted this thing up front. It's nice and bright. Sorry, it's a little blurry. We're still working on the pods. I'm trying to get those worked out. They were going to our fog lights, but our fog light switch is a little messed up. It's not triggering the lights on, so we got to run those to a switch now and find a new place to put them. As for the light bar, you can tell it's working. You can tell it's nice and bright. We ran this thing up under the bumper here, goes up through the fender, and there is our fuse box and everything right under here. So we ran it to the battery back here, into the cab, and right now I just have a 3-foot long wire that's hanging around in the cab of the Jeep until I mount up the button. I'll have a short video on that coming out later. As for now, thanks for watching, guys. Keep coming back for more. Please like and subscribe. Thank you.